To find last digit of this number, always focus on the last digits. In this case 2, 3 and here 4. We only need to find last digit of 2 raised to the power 22, 3 raised to the power 33 and 4 raised to the power 44. Let's look for this first. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 to the power 4 16, 2 to the power 5 32, 2 to the power 6 64. In this case they have same last digits and the cycle repeats itself in group of 4. Now look at the power. 22 is in the form of 4n plus 2, which is this cycle. Therefore, last digit of this number will be 4. Similarly, for power of 3, 3 raised to the power 1 is 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 3 raised to the power 4 81. Again the cycle will repeat in group of 4. Now the power 33 is in form of 4n plus 1. So we will have this group, that means 3 will be our last digit. Let's work on power of 4. 4 raised to the power 1 4, 4 square 16, 4 cube 64, 4 raised to the power 4 256. For odd power of 4, digit ends in 4. For even power, digit ends in 16. In this case, power is an even number, so the last digit will be 6. Now simply add all the last digits. 4 plus 3 plus 6, you'll have 13. Therefore, last digit of this number will be 3.